Okay, so for the alternating cable cast on, you're going to do just like a regular cable cast on for your knit stitches, but you're going to do a purl stitch for the opposite. So this is good for ribbing. So we're going to start with a regular knit cable cast on. So I'm going to go through the middle of the last 2 stitches put on the needle. We're going to pull that out, get some slack, and place it on the needle. So that was our knit cable. Now we're going to do a purl. So we're going to bring the yarn to the front, come between those last 2 stitches made, purl, pull that out, place on the needle, pull it somewhat tight but enough room to get through, bring our yarn to the back so we can do a knit cable between those last 2 stitches, pull that out, place on. This is a good stitch because you don't have to figure out how much yarn you need beforehand. You just do a short tail and you knit the stitches on, and this is good for any kind of ribbing. So if you have a knit 2 purl 2, you just do 2 knit cables, 2 purl cables, and it gives it a more finished edge that flows right into the project. So when we look at it, we get kind of our purl bumps and our knit bumps, the difference in here. So you can see that it's alternating each stitch. So that is the alternating cable cast on super fast stitch refresher. I'm Deja with knitandcrocheteverafter.com, and thank you for watching.